Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, my dear students. I am again present with home science class. This is Hasina Afroz, Assistant Professor of Milestone College. Today, our lecture on chapter 14. The name of the chapter is Textile Fibers. In the last lecture, I discussed in the same chapter lesson 1. Now, I will discuss lesson 2, classification of fiber. From many years ago, textile fiber is classified in different ways. With the progress of science, the classification has been changed. Later on, it is seen that the classification is done keeping the fiber of the same qualities in one group. As a result, people are able to get entire knowledge about the characteristics, the rules of use, and care of the fibers of the same group. According to the source, yarn or fiber is classified into two groups: natural fiber and artificial fibers. Natural fibers are further classified as follows: vegetable fibers, animal fibers, mineral fibers, natural rubber. Natural fibers are four types: vegetable fibers, animal fibers, mineral fibers, and natural rubber. Then vegetable fibers. Let's see the details. Vegetable fibers are obtained from plants which are made of cellulose. Dear students, underline the sentence. They are called cellulose fiber also, as they are based on cellulose. They are of different kinds. Seeds fiber. The fibers around the seed are called seed fibers. For example, cotton and kapok. This may be a MCQ question. What is kapok? Kapok is a seed fibers. Bast fibers. This fiber is obtained from the trunk of our trees. For example, jute, flax, rami, etc. Leaf fibers. They are called vascular fibers also. It is obtained from leaf and branches. What is the another name of leaf fibers? Vascular fiber. Or it may be a question, what is vascular fiber? The another name of leaf fibers is vascular fiber. Nut husk fiber. It is obtained from nut husk. Look at the diagram. It shows vegetable fibers are four types: seed fibers, bast fibers, leaf fibers, and nut husk fibers. Cotton and kapok are example of seed fibers. Flax, jute, rami are example of bast fibers. Manila is example of leaf fibers. Coconut is example of nut husk fibers. Animal fibers. It is obtained from animals or insects. Protein is the main element of this fiber. What is the main animal of animal fibers? Protein is the main element of animal fibers. Animal hair fibers. It is collected from the hair or fur of various types of sheep such as alpaca, angora, etc. Animal secretion fibers. It is obtained from the cocoon of the silkworm by removing sericin, a kind of gelatin which is used as silk fiber. Mineral fibers. Mineral fiber is kind of fiber which is in layer of hard rock under the soil. It is regarded as asbestos textile fiber. Natural fiber or natural rubber fiber. Different types of fiber are made of natural rubber through the special process of contraction. Let's see the chart. It shows the full classification of natural fiber. See attentively. Natural fiber are 4 types: vegetable fibers, animal fibers, mineral fibers, natural rubber. Vegetable fibers are 4 types: seed fibers, leaf fibers, bast fibers, and nut husk fibers. Their examples are also shown. Artificial fibers. Those fibers are called artificial fibers which are not grown in nature but human beings have produced them through the mixture of different elements on chemical elements. The artificial fibers are produced in the factories step by step through the chemical process. The raw material of these fibers may be natural or chemical processed. The fibers are man-made, so the length and width of the fibers can be determined during the production. The artificial fibers are divided into 6 classes according to the source and chemical structure. Cellulose fiber. The cellulose obtained from pulp of trees and cotton bitters is chemically processed to produce cellulose fiber. Example: cupramonium rayon, viscose rayon, etc. Chain cellulose fiber. This fiber is produced from the cellulose obtained from nature but mixed with chemical materials with the changing structure of cellulose. In this case, cellulose will not be in the pure condition. For example, triacetate, acetate and triacetate, etc. Then synthetic fiber. It is produced from coal, water and air by a process called polymerization. Its basic elements are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Example: nylon, polyester, vinyl, on Sharon. Protein fiber. The protein obtained from paddy, wheat, etc. and milk is chemically processed to produce protein fiber, but commercially it is not profitable. For example, Aslon, casein, etc. Mineral fiber. This fiber is produced through the process of different type of mineral things individually or in mixture. Example, silica, glass fiber made of other mineral elements together. Metallic fiber. The fiber is called the metallic fiber, which is obtained from different types of metals like aluminum, silver, gold, etc. Through the process of purification, the artificial metallic fiber is produced following the various process of purification. Alginate, Teflon are also man-made fiber. These fiber obtained from the sea duckweed. So it is dissolved in water. It may be a knowledge-based question or MCQ question. What type of fiber is Teflon, or what type of fiber is alginate? These are the artificial fibers. Teflon is a artificial fibers. Alginate is a artificial fiber. It may be a question, which fiber is sea duck woods, from sea duck woods. Let's see the classification of artificial fibers together. Artificial fibers: cellulosic fibers, chain cellulosic fiber, synthetic fiber, protein fiber, mineral fiber, metallic fiber, other artificial fibers. After this lecture, what we learned today? Classification of fiber, classification of natural fiber, classification of artificial fiber. What is cellulosic fiber? What is synthetic fiber? Dear students, these are your classwords. What is the main element of animal fibers? What is seed fibers? Write 2 examples of bast fibers. What is the another name of leaf fibers? Write 2 examples of seed fibers. Then your homeworks. Write 10 knowledge-based question answers from this lecture. Okay, thank you.